USB mini fan model compact disc 816. This is the last of the cheap fans that I purchased. This is ultra low power, which usually is not a good thing. I kind of like products that are powerful. Wind volume, whatever that means. USB plug. And I guess that diagram somehow indicates that you plug it into a computer with a mismatched 2.1 set of speakers. And that's some funny goof looking computer case from 15 years ago, and no computer mouse. So the features is ultra quiet, lightweight fashion. I didn't know fashion had a weight to it. Push button, up and down. What is it, an Ethernet port? And a USB plug. It was so cheap they didn't even take the time to mark the color. Oh, made in China. Great. Super mute. Well, now we have a... Look at that. That's like a ancient ThinkPad. That could be like a T60 or something. There ain't even no trackpad on that thing. That thing is archaic, and it's got Dream Aquarium running on it. Unbelievable. That's hilarious. Fan shape amiability, free angle adjustment. I'm gonna keep the box for this just because it has that old ThinkPad on there. That's cool. I hope there's some good Chinglish here. Okay. USB mini fan, ultra low power, wind volume. Ultra quiet designation. Pitch angle can be adjusted upwards or downwards. Worth key switch. The use of USB plug can be shared. PC.NB power. Okay. USB transformer can be purchased on its own power supply. The proposed purchase of 5 volt 1000 mAh transformer above. Personalized multicolor options. Air volume comfort, close to use, all seasons. No. Notebook and PC cooling fan may be taking. Oh, this is great. This is what I had hoped for with all these stupid things. Specifications. USB power plug, body size 149.73 millimeters. That's very, very precise. Let's see. The corresponding model. Picking the design of the brand of machine or USB socket transformer recommended more than 500 milliamps. Attention to the need to use. Please put in the place where children cannot touch. Use of the bads if spark occurs. The cause of smoke and odor. If, if sparks occur, the cause of smoke and odor, turn off power switch and pull away from the plug to connect the computer equipment. The stores with the purchase of contact to deal with. Do not open the fan on its own network or decomposition of the first modification of this commodity. Wet hands do not touch with the machine. Wet hands do not touch when the machine. Do not get water or cleaning water. Do not be liquid. Do not be liquid, metal, and other unusual items, or inserted into the internal fan. Not a strong vibration and shock in this article. I'm pretty shocked by this article. Do not put this product heavy water and moisture occasions to direct sunlight, hot smoke, but you can use it near cold smoke, the car, heating rooms, such as a high temperature place. Not in this commodity and its power to place heavy objects online. What? Not in this commodity and its power to place heavy objects online. Do not place this product on unstable sites. Removal of the goods when the power cord. Hold down the plug pulled. The cord cannot be forced. Do not use the products containing petrol, thinners, and other volatile organic solvents in place. Long term, if the goods do not use, please pull the plug from the USB socket. Okay, that gets a big okay. Well, I'm gonna open this carefully because this box is priceless. Now let's see what we have here. Actually, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Tragically, there is no instruction manual, so unfortunately, there's no more chain to be seen, I don't think, and there's none on the fan. Other than the chain itself. China, made in China. Well, this is the most lightweight fan I have ever held. It can't even weigh like half a pound. There's zero metal on the thing. It's all just cheap plastic. It's so flimsy. That's pathetic. And of course, it doesn't come with a power thing, so I'm going to have to use the one from the camera. Hope that doesn't break the one from the camera, because I need that one. Let's plug in the power bar. I should have done that prior to the recording, but oh well. Okay. Kind of reminds me of the Lakewood HV4, but of course the Lakewood HV4 is not a total piece of junk. Oh, it doesn't work. Can't make this up. We don't have to because it's real. Okay, power bar is on, plugged in, plugged in. Nothing. It doesn't even feel like there's a motor in this stupid thing. Well, that was short-lived. You know, I actually expected it to work. What if it's drawing any power? Where's the, we have a kilowatts over here. Okay, you can see the outlet's working and the camera's working, so we know that this just charged it up. Huh, it is pulling power. So then why don't it work? Is it just like, is it locked up or something? Yeah, it seems like it might be locked up. Huh. Okay then. Well, I wasn't expecting that. I actually thought it was going to work. Yeah, it's totally locked up. Huh. Well, that's not gonna work. Unbelievable. That's all that's in there, just a cheap, properly brushed motor. Oh yeah, look at that. No wonder it doesn't work. The thing is all jacked up in there. Unreal. Well, this is just going to overheat and produce the odors or whatever it warned about. So I'll just shut it off. Huh. Well, I guess it's safe to say this is the worst one yet. At least the no leaf worked. This doesn't even work. I'm gonna have to call Amazon's and demand a refund because this is ridiculous. I doubt that they'll want me to send this back. Usually for stuff that's this cheap, they don't really care, but I don't want to break it now in case they do want it back. So we'll just nicely put everything back together, and I'll call over there and see if I can get a refund for this nonsense, because this is truly unacceptable. Junk.